Hey, I have created a new set of 65 free styles for Capture One, and you can download them at alexandra.com/free. And we have also recorded a video guide on how to get the most out of them. So download the free styles, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for downloading the Alexandra styles for Capture One. These styles have been approved by thousands of Capture One photographers worldwide. And in this video, you'll learn how to use them to quickly find the perfect color grading for your shots and speed up your Capture One workflow. First, let's install the styles. Just double-click the Install All Styles file, and the styles will appear in the Styles and Presets tool in Capture One. There are two types of styles. Classic styles use only standard tools, such as curves, color editor, and color balance. These styles always apply the same adjustments to any image, so you can easily preview them and know what kind of look to expect. However, these styles might not work well with all images, and you need to set the proper exposure and white balance before applying them. NextGen styles use the latest Capture One AI tools, such as AI masking and match look. They adjust every image individually, applying the design look regardless of the exposure and white balance adjustments. Because they adjust each image uniquely, previewing these styles is not possible, and you will only see the final look after the style is applied. Due to these differences, the classic and next-gen styles require distinct workflows. Let's see how to work with them properly to get the most out of them. The typical classic styles workflow looks like this. First, balance the exposure, adjust the levels, and set the white balance on your image properly. Then you can easily find the style that fits your image best. For example, this image is overexposed and has an incorrect white balance. Applying a style to this image would not make sense because no matter what style you choose, it will look bad. However, if you make the basic adjustments and then apply a style, you'll immediately see how the style affects your image. Underexposed images have the same problem. Classic styles don't adjust exposure, so your image will stay dark and dull. However, if your exposure is balanced, like this, you can easily find a style that works well. After setting all the basic adjustments, scroll through the styles to find the one that fits your image best. Sometimes a style can fit an image perfectly, as in this case, but don't worry if it adjusts the image too strongly. You can easily change the impact of the adjustments. Just right-click on the style and select Apply to New Layer. Then, simply change the layer opacity to adjust the style's impact. By the way, you can also apply a style to an existing layer. Here I have a background mask, and I can easily apply a style to it by choosing Apply to Selected Layer. Again, you can change the style's impact in the same way. Finally, applying a style doesn't mean you're finished editing. Quite the opposite. Styles are an excellent source of inspiration, and you can enhance their look with additional adjustments. For example, this image would really benefit from some HDR adjustments. Now, let's explore the best use cases for each set of classic styles. Original film styles work well with portraits, weddings, and landscapes. Since they imitate film looks, the adjustments might be too strong for some images, so I highly recommend applying them in layers. This allows you to easily achieve a perfectly balanced look. Remastered film styles offer the same looks, but with additional HDR and contrast adjustments, making them a better fit for some images. As with the original film styles, I recommend applying these styles to a layer so you can quickly adjust the impact. Creative styles are primarily designed for portraits, offering a gentler approach to color grading. However, some of them also work well with travel shots and landscapes. The Pro Color Grading styles have a tag in their name that suggests the best genre: L for landscapes, P for portraits. TS is for travel and street photography, and U styles are more universal and fit various types of images well. The Ultimate Toolkit offers useful everyday styles. For instance, I frequently use the accurate contrast style at the start of complex editing projects. The BL tag here stands for a balanced look. The CL or calm styles, such as the pastel fade, are highly useful as well, but most of the time I apply them to a layer with lower opacity. Finally, the VT or vibrant styles are fantastic for travel shoots. Also, you'll find here styles that apply various curve adjustments, such as accurate contrast, a faded look, and color grading with curves. Okay, now let's see how the NextGen styles differ. First, if a style name mentions a subject or background, it means that the style will create an AI mask and apply the described adjustments. For example, this style will only apply desaturated contrast to your image subject, and you can easily adjust the impact by changing the opacity. Moreover, you can copy and apply this layer to all selected images, and Capture One will create unique subject masks with the opacity you set for each image. Styles with white balance in their names will automatically adjust the white balance. In many cases, you will get better results than with the automatic white balance correction in Capture One. Most other NextGen styles use the Match Look tool to adjust the full range of Capture One tools, including white balance, color editor, curves, color balance, and sometimes exposure. That's why many of such styles can easily be applied to images with incorrect white balance and exposure, resulting in a unique, balanced look. You can also apply a style to a new layer to adjust its impact, just as with regular styles. Since these Match Look styles cannot be previewed, their intended look is described in the style's name. This style applies a calm, balanced, and desaturated look. This style is soft and warm. As with classic styles, you can easily continue editing your image after applying a NextGen style. I would add additional HDR correction and clarity here. Now let's see what are the best use cases for each set. The NextGen styles are designed to automatically adjust the white balance. You can also apply mild adjustments with white balance correction. There are also styles that apply various color gradings to the subject or background of an image. The preview styles are designed to show you what color grading you'll get on the subject or background. Adaptive styles apply the appearance of classic paintings, such as this schemer's landscape, or classic black and white photography looks. There are also AI styles that can enhance facial features, such as recovering facial shadows. The NextGen landscape styles are designed solely for landscape images. They allow you to quickly find the right look for your landscape shot, regardless of how well your image is exposed or what white balance is set. Finally, the 10 AI styles are useful tools for quickly adjusting the subject or background of an image. The most powerful approach is still to mix classic and NextGen styles. Just make sure to turn on the Stack Styles feature in the Styles and Presets tool. For example, you can quickly set the correct white balance with a NextGen style, apply a regular style with general color grading, and then make the background cooler using one of AI styles. If you enjoy these styles, you can access full collections of classic and NextGen styles. You'll get hundreds of professional styles with various color grading and AI adjustments. For a limited time, save up to 40% on style bundles and receive a complete set of styles to improve your Capture One workflow.